Artificial intelligence has transformed various industries, impacting healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and retail. AI software revenues are expected to surpass $100 billion globally by 2025. Intelligent process automation combines robotic process automation with AI to automate end-to-end business processes, enhancing efficiency and productivity. AI enhances cybersecurity by identifying patterns and detecting potential threats in real time, preventing malware and cyber attacks. AI revolutionizes marketing through personalized services, analyzing consumer data to create tailored experiences that boost satisfaction and revenue. Automated AI development tools like Google's AutoML democratize AI creation, making machine learning accessible to non-experts. AI is central to autonomous vehicles, reducing traffic accidents and improving road safety with investments from companies like Waymo and Uber. Facial recognition technology uses AI for security and personalized service, expanding from basic recognition to complex interpretations. The convergence of AI and IoT creates new opportunities, allowing AI to analyze data from IoT devices, making systems smarter. AI transforms healthcare by improving patient care, detecting diseases, and optimizing hospital operations through real-time data analysis. Augmented intelligence enhances human capabilities by combining AI with expertise, improving productivity across many industries. Explainable AI aims to clarify decision-making processes in AI models, addressing transparency concerns and fostering user trust. Ethical AI practices are becoming a priority as stakeholders demand responsible data handling and deployment standards. AI's rapid evolution will continue reshaping industries, raising important questions about security, ethics, and transparency.